In this video, we'll demonstrate how to search for journals and books by title. First, click on the Journals, Books, and Databases link under the Research tab. When you search by title, you only need to use the search box at the top of the page. Lower down on the page, you'll see options to browse for publications by title or by subject. When searching, select the format of the work if known. Next, set the drop-down menu to the way you would like to search. The most flexible option is Title Contains All Words, because word order doesn't matter. You can also use Title Begins With to put in the first few words of the title or the full title. For example, I'll search for journals whose title begins with Academy of Management. In this case, we have access to 11 journals whose titles begin with those words. You will notice that some journals are available in multiple databases. Each database will provide full-text access to different publication dates in that journal. I'll select Business Source Elite. Each database has a different interface, so they won't all look alike. However, you'll see common features like options to select all issues or the option to search within the publication. Searching for books is just like searching for journals. This time I'll click on Books Only and choose Title Contains All Words. Now I'll search for books with the words Craft of Research in the title. This search returns 4 results, and I'm interested in the first one in the list. I can see the title, the edition, and the publication year, and I can click the link to access the book. This book is available to read online or to download, which is akin to a virtual checkout. There's a lot to learn about ebooks, so remember to check our help resources or reach out with questions.